Powerful earthquake in Japan. We've received some pictures now and I can give you a little bit more detail.
すごいよ。あ、もうこうちゃん。ロイちゃん。サラちゃんこっちこっちこっちこっちこっち。こっち。タバ。流星大丈夫と思う。
A tsunami warning indeed has been now issued in Japan after this powerful earthquake, which measured 7.3. Now the earthquake struck off the northeast coastline of Japan, but this has repercussions, and as you can see, many homes in Tokyo and other places have lost power. At least 2 million homes have lost power, some in the capital, Tokyo. As I say, the epicenter of this earthquake was off the coast, but a metre-high wave is expected to hit land, and people have been warned to move away from coastal areas because of fears